Welcome to my channel Golden Nanotech. This is Samsung Galaxy A51. You can see this phone, this password is forget. So today I'll show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A51 or A71, A20, A30, A10 any series. So how can you hard reset the Samsung Galaxy new device? First you have to press the power button and volume minus button together for restart your phone. Okay, shut down you want password, so press these two buttons together 10 seconds and you can see restart your phone. Press power button and volume. When you see the logo, release the power button and volume plus button. Still you press until you can see logo like this. Okay, now press the volume down button and go to the web data factory reset. Press the power button. Yes. And now go to the web cache partition. Yes. And now reboot system. Okay guys, now you can see already hard reset my phone. And next and connect the Wi-Fi again. And press next. Okay guys, now don't copy. Okay guys, you can see no email now here, so just skip, accept, skip anyway. Okay guys, next, skip, finish. Okay, now you can see now. Okay guys, you can see. Okay guys, now you can see it's already done, so you can connect now. Now you can connect any account. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel.